Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to get it subscribe. Today is indeed Friday, January 2nd. Today I will not be filming trash trucks, but today it's not gonna happen because of the new year. So I'm here at Knott's Berry Farm. My best friend and my mom, we're gonna spend some time together. This is his second time here. Haven't been here for a long time, and I'm gonna have a good time. And yeah, we're just getting some information about something. So I'll catch you guys up when we go to one of the see where we can go. Just rode the Ghost Rider. As you see, yeah, sorry about umbrella. So yeah, we're gonna see what other ride we're gonna go on, and yeah, having a good time. I'll show you some of the ride right now. Yeah, here's okay, guys, sorry about that. Okay, so we just already rode to Plum Stream already. It was really great, but we're not going to ride all of them because some of them are not open. They could be line. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to see what else I'm going to do. This is the next one. See our sign right here. All right, we just really rode here at Sidewind. That was really great, and yeah. So yeah, had a good time on that ride. Yeah, sorry. So we're gonna go on another ride coming up. Silver Bullets. Yo, just rode on. Oh boy, look at this. There it is again. Alright, y'all, well, I had a good time already. I'm already done, so just about to get home. And yeah, so I just already had my lunch already, and yeah, well, I'm gonna get home already, and then a little more of this. Oh, take a look, see how the entrance is. Where we were. Yeah, Merry Christmas. I know it's good. They're still doing this until Sunday, but anyway, I'll see you guys when I get home. Alright, you guys, well, I just got back home already from Access. I decided to take my friend back, so had a really great time at Knott's Berry Farm. It was really amazing. Thanks to my mom for giving me the season pass for us three. And yeah, so anyway, had a really good time, and this day I'll never forget. But yeah, okay, well, anyway, I will see you all tomorrow for the trash trucks. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Hope you have a great day. Nick, my dad, Vlog, signing out.